With Office Online and Office 365 rapidly becoming the de facto content creation and co-authoring tools, it's become more important than ever for the knowledge worker to be able to seamlessly interact between those tools and ContentWorX. Your ContentWorX repository should be your organization's single point of truth, and you don't want documents stored in multiple, uncontrollable locations. The best way to do this is to ensure that the applications your employees use are able to communicate with your repository. Now, historically, that meant just Microsoft Office's desktop applications of Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and Outlook. But increasingly, it also now means those applications' cloud counterparts through Office Online. This strategy is attacked in two directions: from the Office applications into the platform, and from the platform into the Office applications. We're pleased to bridge that first gap with the ContentWorX O365 add-in. Let's start out in Word for Desktop. I'm composing a new document or editing something sent to me through email. When I'm done, I need to make sure this is properly stored in the repository. Using the add-in combined with single sign-on, I simply open the add-in and select Check-in. A new pane opens, and I'm ready to supply any metadata I need, or simply submit the item for auto-classification. Click Upload, and the item is checked into the repository for safekeeping. Similarly, I can choose a document directly from the system and begin editing. Just access the add-in, and I can search or browse for content available to me. When results come up, they're already segregated into the correct types of files that the application can open. Just click a link, and the file opens in your application, ready to be edited, and then checked back in, as we already saw. Easy as can be. The process works similarly in Excel and in PowerPoint. For the first time, you can now access ContentWorX through the Omni-platform online siblings in O365. The add-in, managed by the O365 domain administrator, is distributed to those users who need it via point and click, and then everything works the same. The same panel, the same actions, the same experience. For Outlook, the focus is on preserving emails and attachments to be managed in the repository. Just like with the other apps, when you select an item to be saved, a panel opens and you have the opportunity to fill in metadata. If you select an email with any number of attachments, each object, email and attachments, is available to be checked in either to the repository or to a specific folder in the repository. The O365 add-in for ContentWorX is the first step in our vision for complete collaborative integration between your users and your ECM repository. Contact us today for more information and a full demonstration. Thank you for your time.